Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. So to fix Snapchat public profile not showing, just follow the following steps I'm going to give you. The first step is check your account age and friend count. Now the account age means your Snapchat account needs to be at least 24 hours old to create a public profile. Then, to check your friend count means that you must have at least one friend on Snapchat. Number 2, review privacy settings. Ensure your story settings are set to everyone or custom and include everyone in your custom list. Also, double check other privacy settings within your Snapchat account to make sure they don't restrict your public profile. Thirdly, you can update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Snapchat app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that may resolve issues with public profiles. Next, restart your device. Sometimes a simple device restart can resolve temporary glitches that might be preventing your public profile from appearing. After this, if it does not work out, please contact Snapchat support. If the issue persists, reach out to Snapchat support through the app's settings. Explain the problem clearly and provide any relevant details. Also, if you have violated Snapchat's community guidelines in the past, your account may have been temporarily restricted, which could prevent you from creating a public profile. If you have tried the steps and are still having trouble, it's best to contact Snapchat support directly for assistance. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.